Hey y'all, good morning again. It is morning number 2 in Chiang Mai, and I'm staying at the Ban Huan Pen. I'll show you that later. But up again early this morning because today, I know some of y'all have talked about me eating out all the time, so I'm taking a cooking class, and I'm going to take you along. Let's go. So the cooking class will pick you up and take you to the market to do the shopping, and then you go cook. So the ride is here.
All right, before we start cooking, right, today we come to the local fresh market because you have to know some local vegetable, some local ingredient. Today we're gonna use it to cook Thai food today. This is kaffir lime. Kaffir lime. Yeah, kaffir lime. About a kaffir lime, right, in Thailand, or you can call Thai lime. In Thailand, inside they don't have any juice inside. We only use the green skin to make mosquito spray, shampoo, and lotion in Thailand. Nail, right? Your nails smell the skin. You will see oil. You see? Oil. We're gonna use oil to make massage oil in Thailand. Also, we're gonna use the green skin to make Thai curry paste. All right, about chili, right? You see? The chili. I hope you know this, right? Or you can call Thai chili.
This is Ming. She was our guide and instructor for the class. She did a great job teaching us about all of the ingredients. And we got to taste a lot of different Thai food as we walked through the market and bought our ingredients for the day. Pro tip, if you take this class, don't eat before you go to class because you are going to eat in the market and you're going to eat everything you cook and a little bit more. So go hungry.
Many kind of size, but it's not small. Yeah, yeah. So about your if you want to do the connect, you can do. Also, if you want to live video, Facebook, or about red and green curry, right? It's gonna make with Thai eggplant. All right, this one. Make the garlic cut it into small pieces. About the garlic, normally Thai people we start from 3 pieces. But when you're back to your home, if you need more, if you love the garlic, you can add more, 5 or 6, 7 or 10 or 15, if you love it. But today just 3, like this. And then just smash it. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry, chef. Sorry, chef. Smash it like this. Smash it like this. After that, just peel the skin off. Also for you today, right? Sometimes if I tell you, sometimes you need to be nice. Please don't be angry. But sometimes you need to be angry. Don't be nice. Yeah. We're gonna cut this yellow tofu, not cheese. Also, if you should to do pad thai, you need to remember how to cut it into small pieces. All right, now we're gonna make spring roll filling. This is palm oil, PALM, palm oil. Yeah, but don't use the olive oil. Yeah, we never use it to do cooking in Thailand. Put the garlic in, and then you have to stir until garlic dancing. Well, come on. Also, garlic dancing on the floor, dancing on the floor, and then they just add yellow tofu in, and it is carrot, and it is, and the next glass noodle. This is soy sauce, and this one is fish sauce. If you like soy, use only soy 7 dashes. Add it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, if you like only fish sauce, add it in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if you like both, right? Soy sauce 3, fish sauce 4. Total 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 soy. 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7. And 11. 11 again. And then just mix it, stir until water gone. Then you will see the tray like this, right, on your station. On your station, inside they have the small white bowl like this. Don't touch them. They are ingredients to make Thai curry paste. Smash it, peel skin off. After that, just take the whole garlic, put it into your mold. They can add more, maybe 5 or 6 or 7 or 10 pieces chili. Be nice until smell come out. All right, now smell come out, right, everyone? Come out, smell come out. All right, stop chef, enough chef. Pink or yellow one, open and smell. What is this? Fish shrimp paste. Are you sure? Maybe cat food. Shrimp paste. Or you can call smell of Bangkok. When you walk on the street in Bangkok, right, the smell like this. Shrimp paste. You can put it here. Yeah. All right, and then you have tomato, right? Tomato on your tray. Angry. Don't be nice. Angry. Yeah. You have to smash it until sugar and shrimp paste they go. After that, just take the triangle here. Take it up all the way down. And then just use your hand. Shake it back like this. Shake. Shake it off. All right, now we're gonna define spring roll. But before you define the spring roll, right, you need to shake the temperature, the oil. Don't use your finger. Push it down to shake it. Yeah, you have to find the small pieces, the garlic like this. And then just cut it into half. And then smash it. If they are already, when I drop the garlic in, the garlic gonna on top to the oil in the beginning. All right, now we're gonna define. When you define the spring roll, you need to be nice, don't be angry. Just take the spring roll, put it on top to the oil. And then count 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants. After 3 elephants, just take it, bring it, go all the way down, like this. And then I just flip it to the other side. What is that? Now we're gonna use this one to make phak thong buat. Phak thong, it means pumpkin in Thailand. This is melon or winter melon. Yeah, winter melon or phak kiao. Yeah, all right, everyone, look at here, you see? Yeah, I love phak kiao soup. We're gonna use it to make phak kiao soup today. Mix it together. Everything on your tray. Eggplant, carrot, long bean, potato, baby eggplant, everything just put it in. Half teaspoon sugar, yeah. Medium, 2. If you like low, 1. If you want to try Thai spicy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 10. And then use the bamboo, cover your soup. Use the bamboo, cover your soup. If you don't need more protein, stir garlic until garlic dancing. For pad thai, if you need more spicy, chili powder, chili flake, the red one, add it in. Also, lime. Can you help me over here? Just stir, yeah. But for me, a little bit more chili for me. If you need more, just add more. And then just wrap it, 1 bite, try.
That was a lot of fun. If y'all have half a day and you want to learn how to cook some Thai food, the Thai Akha Cooking is the place to do it. It's delicious. Great service. Lots of fun. Really enjoyed it. See you in the next one.